Welcome back to Python RPA. In today's lesson, we will review the add row, the delete row, the add column, and the delete column cards. Let's get started. In this lesson, we will review the add row activity card, the delete row, the add column, and the delete column activity cards. We will start with the add column card. Press the Browse button and select the file to work with. In the starting column field, we specify the letter of the column which we want to add one to. G, for example. In our file, to the left of the G column, we want to add a new one. In the number of columns field, we specify how many columns we want to add. We need to add the Save Data card to save the changes we make. We inherit the data from the previous Add Column card and specify the directory where the file must be saved, as well as the name of the file. If the name of the file will coincide with the original file, the card will rewrite it. In our case, we will create a new file. We start the bot. This is the original file, and as we can see, the bot added 2 new columns. Now let's do the opposite and delete a column from the original file. Let's use the delete column card. We select the file we need and specify the column which we want to delete, and then the number of columns to delete, 1 for example. Now we want to inherit the data from the previous card. Since we use the ID of the add column card, we have to change the ID to the one of the delete column card, and let's start the bot. As we can see, the street address column was deleted. Now let's move to the add row and delete row activity cards. We again select the file with the Browse button, and then we specify the row which we want to add rows to. Number 3, for example. In the next field, we specify how many rows we want to add. 5, for example. We change the ID in the Save Data card and start the bot. As we can see, the bot added 5 rows. Let's use the delete row activity card now. We connect the card and select the file we need. In the starting row number field, we specify the row number to delete rows from. Let's make it 3, and specify how many rows to delete in the next field. Let's make it 5. We change the ID in the Save Data card and start the bot. In all of these cases, we do not change the original file itself in order to see the changes clearly. As we can see, 5 rows were deleted starting from row 3. Great, let's review the lesson. The Add Raw activity card adds a raw or raws to an Excel file. The Delete Raw activity card deletes a raw or raws from an Excel file. The Add Column card adds a column or columns to an Excel file. And the Delete Column card deletes a column or columns from an Excel file. Well, thank you for watching this video and come back for more lessons on Python RPA.